Welcome to Wealth Wisdom, your go-to destination for mastering your personal finances and achieving financial freedom. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to take your wealth to the next level, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way. What we offer: practical financial tips. Learn how to budget, save, and manage your money effectively. Investment strategies. Discover the world of investing and how to grow your wealth smartly. Debt-free journey. Step-by-step guides to eliminate debt and take control of your financial future. Personal finance education. From building credit to planning for retirement, we cover it all with easy-to-understand advice. Why Wealth Wisdom? At Wealth Wisdom, we believe that financial knowledge is power. Our mission is to give you the tools, strategies, and insights needed to build a secure financial future. Whether you're working toward financial independence or just looking to make smarter money moves, we've got you covered. Subscribe now and join our community of like-minded individuals who are all working towards a brighter, wealthier future. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on new videos every week. Follow us on social media for more tips and inspiration.